Are you done? Oh, you're gonna see.
Alright, face. Cheers, Pasco. Really? Why ain't it unlocking?
Look at me.
Yeah, I know he's won already. Or he's hiding somewhere.
Who?
John, I ain't stupid. Yeah, Stace, you did change this.
Here, blame you, girl.
But why ain't it coming unlocked?
What was it? Let me try.
199 dash. It's already there.
1990 what?
199 dash.
1990?
Hmm?
It's not coming on.
Exactly. So you changed it.
Oh my god. What do I blame?
Because it's your fucking lock.
So now what?
So,
How do you unlock it?
Unlock it. Unlock it.
She hasn't had your bike lock.
It's not mine, it's hers.
If it's 19.
Bike lock.
It's one.
Nobody else knows how to fucking change that lock.
I don't. Yeah, you do.
I used to know. No, I don't.
Yeah, because we changed the lock combination, you motherfucker.
RJ, these two did.
Just see what it is. Guess. You don't know.
Let me take one crack at it.
They did it, not her. She wasn't even here.
All thanks to
You do realize I could figure this out?
We'll figure it out.
One number at a time.
He's gonna film it too. How about that?
Yeah, it's been filming this whole time.
Yeah, fuck it.
It's 8100, asshole.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Fuck you!
No, fuck you.
You motherfucker!
Oh.
That's my foot really up your ass. And you're next to us. Don't think I'm gonna forget about you.